Lehigh Valley Plastics, we make a lot of parts for a lot of really critical applications. So that part really is definitely more of a direct impact. More indirect is the environmental impacts as far as our ability to replace the metals with plastics and make things lighter. Also from a durability perspective, using plastic parts creates less wear on some of the metal parts, which makes them last longer. So it allows machinery and other equipment to last a lot longer.
I like that I'm able to work with my hands every day. I get to do something new, like make new parts, just keep busy.
I really like what we do here at Lehigh Valley Plastics. We make a lot of parts for a lot of different industries. We solve a lot of different customer problems.
We can do stuff that would be more energy intensive with metals and different things, so we can, and different composite materials that can make things lighter, better.
Everything in this world is manufactured. Being in my position and being a part of the whole production floor, everything that gets made out of the floor contributes to every single item that is being machined and manufactured that accepts a plastic part.